Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to open the watch battery cage on your Seiko Chronograph watch. So you need to open this up in order to have access to the watch battery. After you open the watch battery, make sure to maneuver the new watch battery with a non-metallic pair of tweezers. For this tutorial, I'm going to use the metallic pair of tweezers, and I'm going to insert one tip of the pair of tweezers right here, and then I'm going to push it to the side, and as you can see, the watch battery cage has lifted, has been opened. And now I'm going to replace the watch battery, and then I'm going to push it back in, and I'm going to close it. You will be able to hear a small click both when you open it up and also when you close it. In case you want to watch the full guide with how to replace the watch battery on your Seiko Chronograph watch, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below, as well to the full guide on how to use all the functions and features, and also how to adjust the bracelet, link in the description box below. In case you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, let me know in the comment section below if you managed to replace the watch battery, if you managed to open the watch battery cage, and also guys, if you would like to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching, subscribe, and I'm going to see you in the next video.